Welcome to week 1 of Political Science 101 with Professor Vickers. This video is going to be a brief overview of the assignments this week and things that are due before we have our class meeting on Fridays. I'll be doing one of these each week simply because you don't want to wait till Friday to start your work. So the first thing I want you guys to know, in order to access Module 1's materials, you must take the integrity quiz located in the first module of the course, okay? And then let's jump over to some of your assignments. Oh, there's some behind the scenes stuff. So here's where the integrity statement is. You guys scored at least a 1.0 in the overview. Okay, so then you're going to want to make sure you have your Cengage account. So there's no Cengage assignments for the class, but what there is that's where you'll find your reading. And then on Wednesday, by Wednesday night, you're going to answer the discussion board question. It is located in Module 1 Discuss. So this class is very repetitive. By Wednesday night, you'll post your first response to your initial post for this discussion board. And then by Saturday, you're going to have 2 responses to your classmates. So we're going to look at equality as one of the founding values of America and what kind of makes America America and what do the founding fathers think. So here's some different things. So your first post, should be at least 200 words, and then your subsequent post should be 100 words. That's the first assignment. Then you're going to have a quiz, which is just a multiple choice quiz. It's unlimited timing, so you can take your time and work through it. Then you have this paper. This paper is on federalism and healthcare, case study of the Affordable Care Act, aka Obamacare. So some things I want you to note when you're doing stuff for this class. In the instructions, we actually lay out what could be a good outline for the paper. So first you want to start with what is the Affordable Care Act? How did it change healthcare insurances? And what are the features of the act? What are the differences between state Medicaid expansion under ACA? Tell me what states expanded and which ones did not. And why did some states not expand? Then I want you to pick 2 states, one that expanded and one did not, and compare and contrast health outcomes. So pick one or 2 of these, in these suggested topics. This should be APA formatted with a reference page for your sources. We want it to be at least 400 words. So we're doing formal, like a research paper, so I don't want you to use the word I. So I do have a sample paper for you guys to see. Only can see it in the video. I can't upload it, for obvious reasons. Okay, let me stop my share and restart it. Okay, so this is a sample paper. This is the APA formatting. This is what says APA apart from MLA if you're new to APA. So you're gonna put the title in bold, and then you're gonna put your name, the school name, the class, my name, and the due date. Make sure you have a page number up here on the top. It's in the top right-hand corner. So as you can see with this paper, the title is also initially on the line 1 in bold. And in this one, the student tells me what the Affordable Care Act is and goes through, the states that did expand and the states did not. Gives you the pros and cons of Medicaid. Okay. And then what's important is at the end, he has references. Now, what this student should have done is he should have double-spaced his references because it is still under that. And your reference line should start up at the top. Okay. Now, how do we go about APA formatting? That is something that I can share with you guys. I actually use a website called the Citation Machine. I have it set up for APA and citing a website. When I input my website, it creates a citation list. Here's the citation list that I have from an assignment I was working on for my doctorate degree. And you see, it formats it for you based on the prompts, and then I can copy and paste that into my Word document. So I do recommend using that. I also recommend an account on Grammarly. Grammarly helps us all with proofreading. We all need the help, okay? So you just copy and paste your paper into Grammarly, and it fixes it helps create and fix everything for you and tell you how you do it. Okay, so the paper and the quiz are due by Sunday evening. And then on Fridays, we have lecture. So if you have any questions about this video, feel free to reach out to me. Or on Friday, I'll give you some time to also discuss it with me if you have any questions, okay? Thanks and have a great week.